What's popping in there, folks? This is the kid Nuki Lou, man. Yeah, I got some news for y'all, man. Y'all will be seeing me just this motherfucker named Young Bird. No, it's not Young Bird, but some nigga named Bird from Madison, Wisconsin, whatever. I heard through the grapevine this motherfucker was dissing me and shit, you know what I'm saying, some snake shit. But yeah, this nigga named Bird from Madison, Wisconsin, talking about some Nuki Lou can't rap. So Rude boy on this shit again, coming with the stupid flow. Treat your body like a coop poop, where the roof go, I'm in another lane. His bitch ride mines, all this talk about cars must be driving him insane. The wheel to my brain, he probably can't take it. A mile, you a crash laugh, he ain't gonna make it. I like to be evil, see it gets me in the mold. You get jumped, but not in the sense of a toad. Leap and put that frog's brain on the road. Only thing they remember that amphibian was bold. I gotta grab my coat when I venture to the cold, cause these niggas get to running way faster than your nose. I'm sorry, but that's the way it goes. Trying to take me out my frame like I need another pose. If you don't get the picture, let me rephrase. These niggas want me dead and that shit getting old. Hey. All my niggas crazy over here and dying more on some shit that ain't coming out your rear. That shit you need to hear, put this boo-boo in your ear. My red cape drape, I'm the hero of the year. It's easy, man. But as I was saying though, man, this Young Bird nigga ain't ready, man. Y'all will be seeing that shit come July 2010. You already know what it is. Welcome to the code. We'll be out on my birthday. The mob, shouts out to y'all. YG, shouts out to him. BBE, you already know what it is, man. And over and out. Yay.